So we're told we have a normally distributed data set with a mean of 470 seconds, 7 minutes, 50 seconds, and a standard deviation of 1 minute, 7.5 seconds, or 67.5 seconds. Part 3 said at a particular high school, if 347 boys run the mile, how many will take longer than 6 minutes, 5 seconds? Okay, well, a couple of things. First off, when you read this, okay, we should immediately think the vast majority of them, because this time is very much on the low side, right? So the vast majority of them should be taking longer than that. So I should be thinking the vast majority of the 347 boys. And then beyond that, this is just a basic normal probability question with one small extra step at the end, is to find the actual proportion of a number. So all we're really looking at, remember, probabilities are areas, are proportions. So all we really want to know is, right, what's the probability, right, that x is greater than 6 minutes, 5 seconds, which is 3 minutes, 65 seconds after conversion, right? So all we really need to do is go to StatCrunch or calculator and find this probability. So from StatCrunch, we just go stat, calculators, normal, and we tell it, hey, my distribution has a mean of 470 seconds and has a standard deviation of 67.5 seconds, okay? And all I want to know is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 365. And that's 0.94009 or 0.9401 rounded to the nearest 10,000th. So you're looking at around 94% of boys. So we're going to take that proportion and let's just find that proportion of the 347 boys. So from StatCrunch, we found that that probability or proportion was 0.9401. So then all we need to do is find this proportion of 347. So we say the number of boys we expect to be over 6 minutes 5 seconds would be 0.9401 times 347 boys that ran the mile. And we find that that number is about 326 boys. I put as an answer to be accepted 327 plus or minus 1, so that it would take on either side of that depending on your rounding. And I gave relative amounts of credit to differing answers depending where you were at.